As in my previous videos, I always emphasize on three things that in future crypto market will depend on. The first one is DeFi tokens, burning tokens, and in last, NFT. So in this video, we will check NFT some deeply, and also I will share a telegram with you to make some NFT. If you want to know more, please kindly stay tuned with us, because if you miss this video, you will not make some profit with NFT. So in starting, we will discuss one thing, that what is NFT all about. NFT is basically a short form of non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token is a special type of the cryptographic token which represents something unique. Non-fungible tokens are thus not mutually interchangeable. This is in contrast to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and many network or utility tokens that are fungible in nature. Right now, people are making a huge amount of money with the help of these NFTs. And if you are going to check this video, you will also make some good amount of NFT every day. Feel uninvited. So we are going to talk about the Tiply. Basically, Tiply is an ERC1155 NFT presented as a digital pet in the form of fish that you have to take care of from an egg till it grows up. It will be, I think, in 5 forms. I will also share about that one. You can control its upbringing by feeding, dressing, and much more by keeping it in your own tank. The Tiply can be traded on the Enjin marketplace, as these are Enjin tradable NFTs. Each Tiply is one of its own kind and has its own worth in the market. And also Tiply Tank has their own native token DYT. At this time, DYT is available on number of exchanges, and right now the price of one DYT is about $0.55. And also at the end of the video, I will share my own price idea about DYT. DYT in the game, which contains a 2% burn rate, and they distribute about $2,500 DYT to the community in the form of bonuses and other rewards in a week. It's huge. So here comes the contract address of DYT. Do your tip. And also this token is available on the CoinGecko. Simply you can purchase the token directly from the Uniswap exchange. So right now the price of one token is about $0.557. So as per my own idea, this token will reach up to $2.75 or $3 very easily, because they are offering a huge thing, that is NFT, and NFT is the future of crypto. Now something about the board. So here comes the Tiply board. Basically, Tiply board is your wallet for the fungible and non-fungible ERC1155 and Phantasma tokens. The board does support Ethereum ERC1155 tokens, Phantasma tokens, and some selected ERC20 tokens. With Tiply board, you can send ERC1155 or Phantasma FT and NFTs within a message in a Telegram group. To send the tokens is feeless, instant, and free to use. No need to pay anything for sending your NFT from one place to another. That is a huge thing. Here you can find out all the things, especially about the ERC1155 FT tokens, fungible tokens, and also about the NFT, non-fungible tokens. So if you want to use this board, how you can use it? It's entirely very easy. First of all, you have to click on the help, and when you are going to click on the help, they are going to tell you each and everything. But still, if you are facing any type of issue, simply you can message the support team, because support team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to help you. Now some standard things about the fish. There are 6 type of fish which you have to brought up and make some good profit. Like the first one is standard, then rare, epic, godlike, legendary, and extraordinary. Each fish has its own price, its own value, and each fish is also unique. So here comes the DYT token. So as per my own idea, if you are going to buy this token, because this token don't have as much big supply, and secondly, it is also listed on the Uniswap, so definitely in future you can see a huge pump in the price of this token. So easily it will reach up to 2.17 or 2.25. So it's your time to grab this opportunity. You will definitely make up to minimum 15x easily. Thanks a lot.